Hi Dresser Cuties, Win here. Today we're going to draw Hyein from NewJeans as a Powerpuff Girl. So let's get started. To draw this cute Powerpuff Girl, let's first start by drawing a big oval for the head. So I'm going to start right here because it's easier for my hand. And I'm going to go ahead and draw this big oval. So I'm going to start with a curve. Nice big curve, bring it down. It's basically the same on the other side, and then we're just going to start to round it off. And same thing here. It's nice and brown and full. Go back and forth, and then about right here, start to bring it in and connect. There, so that is one big oval in. From there, let's go ahead and draw the bangs. So I'm going to come back to the top about right here, and we're going to draw basically a straight line across, but with some notches. So let's start about right here. And about right there, I'm going to stop, put in a little notch, kind of add a slant, and then I'm going to continue towards the center. See about right here, and then I'm going to put in one center notch, and then I'm going to come right across again. Oops, Sharpie would work, but I'm going to stop short right here, and about in this space I'm going to give a little notch just like the other side, and then I'm going to continue a little bit and then draw this strand. So right here we're going to come down and just create this strand that comes about right here. Let's continue about right here, and I'll thicken up my strand to there. So let's see here. Okay, so now that we have that in, let's see, hopefully I'm a little bit not straight. So I'm going to come right here. This part needs to be a little bit lower. Okay, there, a little bit better. Then from there, we're going to start to draw these big eyes. So we just want to make sure we don't go past the center. So I'm going to start about right, this is my center. And so about right here, I'm going to start to draw this big circle, ovalish circle. So right about here, start. Imagine this is coming through, and about right here, using this big curve into this space. We just want to draw this big circle. So I think this is the last one, right? Thank you for keep requesting I draw all of them. So this will be the last member. So same thing here. So hopefully you've gotten better at drawing these big eyes. About right here, and go up, and here, there. And then let's draw the inside. So we're going to come about right here, just 1, 2, 3 layers. So right here, draw one curve, and then taper it in, and then one more. There, and then inside right here, we're going to draw a big oval towards this edge more, and then I'll just go ahead and hurry up and color this in all black. So in some of these drawings, I did a better job with the eyes, and some of them are just a big mess, but hopefully I'm still able to help you. And then you're using a pencil to draw these Powerpuff Girls. It just makes it a lot easier so you can erase and adjust. Okay, so there, got one, and then I'm going to come in here and make some adjustments now that I'm looking. camera, make this part rounder. Okay, there, much better, right? So same thing here. So we're going to start about right here for the first curve. Now one more. Oh no, did I mess it up? I think I did. Okay, so this is supposed to go higher. Oh my goodness. This is supposed to go higher there. And then this part right here. Okay, and then comes in. See, like I said, what a mess. Don't worry, I will totally fix this. But my goal was to try to make it like that. So, okay, here. And this will go lower. And we need to put a big oval just like the other side. And shade this all in. I am going to get my handy dandy whiteout pen here and fix this in a moment, so that I don't have to start over. So bear with me here. Okay, let's see what I've done. So I'm going to erase that part. I think this strand here threw me off. Okay, camera here. And this part. There, not too bad, right? Okay, so let me clean off my Sharpie here, and then let's come back and finish off the hair. So I'm going to come back to the center about right here, and we're going to draw, come to center, and then we'll come out a little bit, and well, actually, you know what, come to the center, come up a little bit, give myself a point, and we're going to draw these two strands that come out. So same thing here. There, and then let's see here. We can save the ponytail for a little bit later. Let's draw in the body first. Oh, actually, you know what? Let's draw the mouth first. So let's come into the center, and we're going to draw this little line right here in the center. And then there's two little curves right here. And then underneath that curve is going to be, underneath that line, I mean, is going to be a little curve like that for the mouth. And then the body, so let's come right about here. And here, nicely in the center, we're just going to draw an angle line down. Thank goodness, this part is nice and simple. And connect. And then straight down, draw a straight line. And same thing here, a little bit angle, and then we're just going to round it off and connect. There, and then for some feet, curve, then curve right here for the shoes, and then we're going to add a stripe right here, and of course, before I forget, I'm going to draw a heart right here like I did for all the other Powerpuff Girls, and then the hands. Come right here and draw a curve, bring it in. And same thing here. There. And now we can finally finish off her hair. So I'm going to come into this space right here and just draw, give myself 2 points at an angle, and I'm going to draw this butterfly. Round off, and same thing, angle, round it, around, and connect. And then we can add, just going to come right here to this space. Just add this big ponytail. Bring it in. And let's see here, just kind of tuck it about right here, give it a little curve, and bring it in. There. And then one very important butterfly that we need to add right here into this spot. So I'll go ahead and erase that a little bit after I finish this. So I'm going to add 2 angles right here, little point, curve, and drawing it different ways. So just see which way is easier for you to start, and then a little strand coming out. There. And then come back and wipe this out. There for our butterfly. And that is pretty much it for this drawing of Hyein from NewJeans as a Powerpuff Girl. I really hope I helped you draw her fun and easy today. And that is the complete set of Powerpuff Girls from NewJeans. And I really hope you love how they all turned out. Thanks so much for watching. And if I helped you, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.